Carefully read the question, which is based on LCM calculation. Look at the following problems of 3 flashing lights from a common point of time with the respective intervals of 10 seconds, 30 seconds and 15 seconds respectively. Next simultaneous flashing time is 30 seconds, shown by the LCM of their time intervals. This small example shows that our question is also based on LCM calculation. Let us see the solution step by step. The next simultaneous change of the 3 lights will be the LCM of 48, 72 and 108 seconds respectively, as shown here.